Hello, Patrick, and welcome to Teslatrip. Today I'm doing another product review from Hansshow, and this is for this extreme summer heat. They're cool little roll-up shades for the Cybertruck. They also make them for other Tesla vehicles. If you use our code Teslatrip, you can save some money and get them under $100. They roll up really well. They install fairly easily, and they're easily fully removable. But if it's, a really hot week, you can leave them in there all week. There's minimal view obstruction. Check out this install process. So these are for this massive windshield. You have suction cups, so you can just kind of leave them at the bottom and just pull them up like a shade. So we'll see how all these work out. And you've got these little suction cups that you put on these hooks. You put them back, you put these little hooks on your visors, and you also put the little loops on the ends of the visor and then the caps. It took me a little bit of adjustment from putting them on initially and kind of moving things around to get them to cover just right so they fit behind the rearview mirror. But once it did, it worked out pretty good. I think it's a significant decrease in temperature without having to blast the AC. Is the temperature without the shade up, which is 108. Now, we went into McDonald's. The door was left open, but yeah, we're hitting 78. And then up here we're doing 87, 78. And if you're trying to take a nap while you're supercharging or whatever, it blocks a lot of sun. So let me know what you guys think below. You can kind of see how much of the view it does change aesthetically, how it looks. I think it's something that I personally wouldn't keep in my truck year round. But during the hottest couple months here in Wyoming, it's something I'll keep in my truck because it will probably save me a lot of money on electricity keeping the Cybertruck cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget you can save 20% with the code Teslatrip. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.